Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna be playing Battle Cats because, well, I don't even know. Just trying to get XP. And yeah, Silver Cat. Put that down. Let's play. I'm back. Legend stages. I barely do this. Stage clear. Reward 1. Play the Great Escaper for a chance to get this special unit. Trying to get this person. Gamadodo, 954. Nope. Ovens. Okay. Cambodia. Upgrading the cats in the box is good, so I'm gonna upgrade the cats in the box because he'll be really useful. They turn into, like, if you max them out, they turn into a giant robot. At first, they get into a car and they actually just wing at you. This is for range. For red cats. There. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bop, bop. Bada, bop, 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 bop. Okay. There's my unit. Start up. Okay. Cambodia. Okay. Best thing to do here is that I could send out a ninja cat to shred through them. Take out all the guys for defense while I bring up my money and try and upgrade. I wonder. That's not bad. Boom. I'm gonna save up for dragon if I make it. She finished it. Headbang down. Japan. I don't know what the Cowcat turns into at evolution. Oh dang! Don't like hit him headbutt one time. One headbutt, boom, down. Cowcat should be able to take him out. Wait, there's a new cat. I don't know if I should get it or not. Should I or should I save up for a Kung Fu cat? Oh, should I? What does this person look like actually? I don't know how to check. Here, hold on. Okay. I'm getting the this is the person I need, because she's actually really powerful. Okay, start. More XP. Yeah, this one you can already tell there's gonna be a hippo. Get some guards up. The two guards. Big dude. I'm gonna get me a swords cat. Nah, ninja. Yeah, the girl just hits it once and it gets so low, like, oh my god. Jeez. Bam. They're gonna bring out one of those big cats, so I need a dragon cat bad. I've already got good defense. It's like the teddy bear cats, so dragon cats are really useful because they have range and sexy leg cats. Red piggy. Boom, there's the bear. So I could hit it and knock it back. Get some range on it. I'm spawning another dragon cat, get a sexy legs. And that should be okay to at least take some damage. Boom, boom, bam, bam. Boom, now it's a definite win. Now that I took both of them out, give me some XP. Boom, boom. 16,000. 16,000 should be enough for a single upgrade. Yep. Boom. 2 more levels. I do aim close. Yeah. Either I could wait for the energy. Not one energy recovery. Well, I just went through an ad and that sucked. 31 XP. I could wait 1 minute for that. NASA was actually really easy. Las Vegas, I don't remember what's the outbreak. Where's that at? You know, one of my friends wanted to know what the outbreak was like. I'm gonna do it. I'm stupid. I already know I'm gonna lose. They come out, little men. Where is it? They're gonna bring out little zombie cats. See, it's a zombie, right? Oh, it's all weak. Not at all. Let your guard down on this one. Literally, she cannot one hit him either. I should say something there. Knock him back a bit. They literally don't die. They just stay alive forever. They don't die, and I lost. I only killed one of them. One of them only. Now, either I don't have XP, yes. Boom, 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 boom. All that. I'm not singular. You know, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. You know, guys, be back. Okay, I'm back. I just waited for the thing to go up, so let's go do it. Let's see. Put on a speed up and a CPU. Will I win? Probably not. Let's go. I'm so stupid. If I beat this, I'm gonna be surprised. CPU speed up my, well, you know, money income, so that'll help a lot. No. Nope. I burped while saying no. Try the Brutus Stater. Nope. I could beat the previous stage. It's the outbreak thing. I'm gonna cry. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna cry. I'm kidding. Okay, well that sucked. Well, I haven't been playing Dragon City that much, so I guess I'll try it out. It has the longest load, so I'm not gonna have you guys go through that. Okay, well the load took forever, but this thing still has to load in, so it's gay. Wait, what? Hold on. refugees and food plus take these for antidote drops to kickstart your collection and keep those zombies at bay. What did I get? Halloween, more Halloween stuff. 100,000 antidote. That 100. No way. Oh my god, it actually did. No way. 100,000 food. It's actually game kind of messed up. Okay, I don't want to see all the ads. I just want to go and upgrade my guys, okay? Okay. Yeah, it's not popping up. Thank you. Here's place here. Can you just do? Well, now I got like a really powerful people now. Bit patient, okay. Well, now that I have really powerful stuff, I can, go do some battles. I can't lose. If I do lose, then it was just unlucky, okay? So, jet up. Well, guess I'm fighting these people. Dragon. Boom. Level 15. Select the dragon. Boom. Select the dragon. Ludo. Boom. Fight. I didn't want to skip with the gem, so. Oh, okay. Let's go. Select the dude. Punch Kiryu. Lightning. Doesn't even damage her. That is so gay. Well, it's all up to this guy. Oh, okay, let's take out this person. Yay. I can't lose. Yay. Claim. Oh, okay. Skip. Skip. Sure. Fight. I'm God. Wait, what? Volcano Dragon? How is he powerful against my guys? Like, oh, it's the heat, probably. It's the heat, yeah. Yeah, this guy has to go down. You literally take out my guys, like, so easily. Check out this guy, come on. This guy's super powerful. No, 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 no. Kill you. Thank you. Kills me. Okay. Very powerful. This guy's gonna destroy me. What the heck? Just one more hit. Boom, I win. Let's go. New rank. Just a C, not a C minus. Claim. What do I get? A wisp, dragon orbs, and those things. Powerful, not powerful. Let's fire. Well, I'm stupid, so I'm probably going against somebody really powerful. Nope, no, I'm not. What? You know, eat. Just die. Bye-bye. Rock throw. Not gonna damage him that much. This guy. Poison Ivy. Oh, God. Stunning it. Take some damage. My guy will be strong against him. No way, he's a fire. Oh, no wonder I didn't take him out. Oh, he's got me. GG's, my man. C minus for new rank. Claim. Skip. Skip. No, that was a definite win. Oh, wait. This guy's got two powerfuls. Now, let's do it. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Oh my god, you stupid, why do you do that? If this guy just takes these two guys out, that's gonna be funny. Go on, use the 3 rock. Oh, okay, I was having fun. Boom, this guy's, he's so dead. Wait, just in case. Boom, bam. Easy win. C minus, thank you. Victory. It's an A minus. Let's go for 70. Oh, I'll do it. Let's go. Yeah. Can I even fight? Yeah, I can fight. Okay. Well, you're dying first. Oh, this guy's every element, so I can't really damage him that good. Take him out. There's people outside. Oh, yes. Take him out, take him out. No! Oh, heck no. You don't. You're going out with stunning hit. You're out. Victory. Boom. Storage. Use. Okay. Wait, what do I do here? I'm so lost. What the heck? People? Do I like do something? What do I do? Oh, I think I know. Boom. I free spin. I spin. to get +5. I got 5 items, so I got 5 gems, so I go up 5. Wow. Okay, that's nice. Now I'll just use it. Shop. They have a big promotion. Okay. Well. Okay guys, well, like and subscribe. I'm gonna go to bed, so have a good night and have a good day.